Yesterday we discussed the prohibition of owning and benefiting from Chametz Gamur, pure Chametz. We've explained that the Mashari Minhag is to never even keep it and sell it. We dispose of it. Historically, that was our custom, and we never kept Chametz Gamur. Now, there's the next category of Chametz on Pesach that is called Ta'arovet Chametz, a mixture of Chametz. Now, what's the difference between these two? So, Chametz Gamur is like bread. It's a chametz that it can, obviously it's completely flour and water. It's completely chametz 100%. Now a tarovet chametz is a food item that has a mixture of chametz mixed into it. So it's not only chametz, but the chametz is mixed into that food item. That we've explained already, that chametz it's asur to benefit from it, it's asur to eat it. A mixture of chametz, halacha, is uniquely different. The Shulchan Aruch explains that by a ta'arovet chametz, the halacha would be that although obviously you can't eat it, and but in theory you would be allowed to be able to benefit from it. Now, what's the specific scenario? It comes into animal foods. When it comes to, let's say, dog food, cat food, and the like, those halacha requires that it needs to be completely chametz free, because it's still considered edible for a dog. We said yesterday that concept of ra'ul achilat kelev, it has to be edible for a dog. Now what about fish food? Fish food, it's almost always not edible for humans. It's inedible. Humans don't like it. It's not tasty. It's not meant for humans to consume. Therefore, when it comes to fish food, even if there is a ta'arovet chametz, again, a mixture of chametz in the fish food, because the fish food is inedible for humans, you would be allowed to be able to benefit from that on Pesach, and you can feed it to your fish on Pesach. And that's exactly how Rabbi Chaim advises as well. If you notice our Pesach list, it says fish food is allowed for Sfaradim as long as there's no meat and milk mixture. So the issue here isn't necessarily chametz or tarovet chametz with fish food, because it's inedible for humans. So you can, in theory, have hana'ah from it. Rather, the issue would be, let's say, basar b'chalav, which that you can't have hana'ah from, and that's actually a unique issue that you have to pay attention to when it comes to fish food, that it doesn't have any basar b'chalav, issues of meat and milk together, cooked together, that we can't derive hana'ah from. So it's a unique scenario of ta'arovet chametz, a mixture of chametz, and how we behave is, we can't eat it obviously, but if it's inedible for humans, you can still derive pleasure from such an idea, like in the classic example would be fish food. Have a wonderful day.